came out cool. I don't know yet, so. I was just trying something different, putting the camera all over the combine. I didn't run over the camera, so that was a good deal. So as you can see right here, there's a lot of water standing right there. And I just got a couple passes left. I don't really think I can turn around right there. So I think I'm just gonna back out of this. I really don't want to get stuck. We're gonna back out of this and then drive back down to the other end. Start over because I would really rather not get stuck. Because that would really suck. But you can see behind me here, quite a bit again. Doing pretty good. We've loaded already, I guess. It's pretty obvious, but. So I'm just gonna finish up this field real quick. And then I don't know if I want to go to the next field or go back to the front one and try to work on that one. Because it's supposed to rain a lot this week. Let's take a look at the weather here. So Tuesday got like a 70% chance or tomorrow. I don't know if you can even see that. Thursday is 60, Saturday's 50, Sunday 30, Monday 50. Yeah, so the weather ain't looking too hot for the next little while, so we want to try to get whatever's best. I kind of think that this other field is a little higher up. It's got a pond on it, so I don't really know, but I think it might stay a little drier because it's good and flat. That other one's got the bottom. I might try to go pick it first, just because that has a steep ditch into that other one. And I hate to have to go to the steep ditch and then back through another steep ditch, even with corn on the back. So, do I finish this? Yeah, we're gonna call it full. We're not all, well, we're pretty close. I didn't realize that. Yeah, we're pretty full. Super muddy up here on the front side. That's what I've been working on. So, super muddy. About got stuck there right at the end because there's a lot of weight up there now. When you get full, the more you pick, the more corn you get in there, the heavier it gets. Wow, you guys are dirty. Anyways, the more you pick, the more corn gets up there, obviously, and it gets pretty heavy. So this holds about 300 bushel, and a bushel of corn's 56 pounds. And so as you can do the math, it gets pretty heavy. And then you're on this wet ground, you just sink down a lot. Here, I'm getting a phone call. So, all right, we're gonna unload on this truck and then calling it a day, I hope. Okay, take that back. I don't think it's gonna be the end of the day. I think we're gonna come back and try to finish this, but I don't know if we're gonna fit it all on one truck. This is truck number 4, 50-acre field, or 50-acre farm, I guess is what this is. But oh gosh, this door handle not. There it goes. Start it up here. Oh gosh, I'm about to fall off. Let it air up. We'll go up here and look at the corn in the truck. So it's not bad. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to show this. Let me grab it. So this is a pretty nice kernel. It's got nice depth. It's pretty long. And then yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice corn. Doing good. We will put this truck on the road, and then yeah, we'll unload it, and I don't know what else. All right, we made it to the grain bins here. I think we got her lined up pretty good. I need to go backwards with that, but maybe not. All right, let's push this auger around. I wonder if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Oh no, too far away. All right. So as you can see, I'm way too far over. So we need to pull it back. And I need to back the truck up, move over, like almost a whole foot. I need to back up a lot and then move over. So, go do that real quick. Take a look now. I think we're doing a little better there. Right. Run around to the other side real quick. Oh yeah, we solid. All right. So what we'll do is go grab the crank. Oh, that door didn't want to open. Sorry, it's dark, guys. Nothing I can really do about that, because I got a farm, and if you guys want footage, this is what you get. And pop up here in the old 4440. We will start it up. Turn neutral. And we will go ahead and throw it in gear. Make sure we're not spilling the corn anywhere. This is a pretty loud job. I could be overly yelling, but it's a loud job. Not really the most fun. It is probably really dark, so you probably can't really see much. Man, Jeff spilled a lot of corn. We'll run up here. I don't know if you guys can even see anything anymore. It's getting really dark. I don't think you can see anything there. I couldn't see anything in there. So, anyway, here it is. Probably gonna call it a night for the video here, because it's hard to do all this at night. You can't see anything. Makes it real difficult. So, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more content like this, stick around, subscribe. See you on the next one.